Hello everyone, Megan here. I am going to show you guys a tutorial today on how to do loose beach waves. I use the no gas spray as a really nice heat protectant, and then I use the texture spray at the end to give it some texture and grit, kind of like you just left the beach. I use a clip to create my sections so that it's not messy. I'll spray the no gas spray and then brush it through so it distributes evenly. And I take about 1 inch to 2 inches of hair when I'm curling it, because the bigger the section, the looser the wave. The smaller the section, the tighter the wave. So I take pretty big sections as I'm showing you guys. And when I'm curling, I never go all the way to the root, and I leave about 1 inch, 1.5 inches of my ends out so that it just has that really pretty beachy vibe. I love this curling iron too because you can smooth your hair and curl it all at the same time, kind of just like I did. And it's really easy, it's affordable, and it makes curling a lot of fun. Once I am done with all my front sections, I will grab the back section and just kind of pull it forward as so. I leave the end out, and I left about 2 inches from the root. Then I go on to the other side and do the same exact thing. It's really nice when you can buy a curling iron and adjust the temperatures too, because everyone's integrity of the hair is different, and it's good to make sure that you're not putting too much heat on processed hair. This is my last section. I leave a pretty thick section on top just so that the wave is really loose. Grab the front of my fringe and barely curl it because I think having a smoother curl around the face is really pretty personally. And then I just keep doing the same thing with every section. It's important that you don't take the same amount of hair in every single section and do it super uniform, because then it will appear that you just have one big wave all around your hair. So I kind of do different sections and set the curling iron at different levels, if that makes sense. I'll go a little lower on one section and then go a little higher on the other section so that you kind of get that messier look. I think people get intimidated taking sections from the back, but when you're doing a beach wave, a loose beach wave, it's really easy. You just grab the hair that you see that hasn't been curled, pull it forward, and just put that little bit of wave in there. It's okay that it's not perfect. I think that's the point. That's what makes it so fun. Then I'm gonna go to the other side, last little bit. Same thing with the other side of the fringe or face framing. And then once you're done curling your hair, I like to either use a wide tooth comb and kind of gently brush through it, or just use your fingers. Spray the texture spray, and you are ready to go. You have Victoria's Secret beach waves, and it's really easy and fun. thank you guys for being with me today. I'm excited to see what you all come up with.